Hello friends, in today's video, we would be discussing on the topic of advance tax. In this session, we will cover meaning of advance tax, when it is paid and how we should calculate it. Meaning of advance tax. In general language, advance tax is the tax that is paid in the same financial year in which income is earned. Advance tax is calculated on the basis of an estimation of income for current financial year. This is because we cannot determine exact income of complete financial year. This is the main reason why this tax is called advance tax. While calculating advance tax liability, benefits of TDS, TCS and MAT credit are considered. Provisions of advance tax are not applicable when advance tax liability is less than Rs 10,000, or assessee is senior citizen and not having income under the head PGBP, that is profit and gains from business or profession. Now we should move on to our next question, that is which income is considered for determining advance tax liability. As we all know, there are 5 heads of income. Therefore, all 5 heads of income are to be considered for determining advance tax liability. Even exempt income of agriculture will also be included for determining exact rate for paying income tax. After determining advance tax liability, one should know exact due date for payment of such tax so that no interest is charged for delayed payment. There are 4 due dates for payment of advance tax. First due date is of 15th June, till which one should pay 15% of advance tax liability. Second due date is of 15th September, till which assessee should pay 45% of advance tax liability. Third due date is of 15th December, till which assessee should pay 75% of advance tax liability. The last due date is of 15th March, till which assessee should pay 100% of advance tax liability. But for assessee opting presumptive taxation under section 44AD or 44ADA, then only 15th March due date would be applicable. We will cover section 44AD and section 44ADA in our coming videos. The last topic of today's video is what will happen if AO is not satisfied by amount of advance tax. In such a scenario, assessing officer can pass order under section 210 directing assessee to pay advance tax in the installment due after the due date. Such an order can only be passed up to last day of February. AO can pass such order only if assessee has already been assessed by way of regular assessment in any previous year. In such a case, AO shall compute advance tax by considering total assessed income of the latest year for which assessment has been made, or total income declared in ITR of any subsequent year after the year for which assessment has been made. In case of any doubt, you can ask same in comment section.